Friends, hi boys and girls, your coach here Noel, and I'm so excited that we're going to work on this strategy of making tens, okay, when we're adding. So here I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I've got 6 sample problems, and let's start with the first one, 4 plus 7, okay? So the first thing I need to do is I need to decompose these numbers so that I can make a 10, alright? What's a way that I can make a 10? Well, I know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, so 6 plus 1 equals 7. So now I'm going to bring these over. I'm going to do 4 plus 6 plus 1 equals 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 1 more is 11, okay? Let's take a look at this next one. I've got 5 plus 9. Well, I've got 9 here, okay? And I can do it either way. It's okay, but I'm going to just use this 5. I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 5 plus 4 equals 9. So I'm going to bring this over. 5 plus 5 plus 4 equals, 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 more, 14. Piece of cake, right? Now, let's take a look at this one here. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 4, I know it's 10, and then 4 plus 2 more, I know is 6. So 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals, let's see, 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. Now let's take a look at this next example. 7 plus 9. Well, I know that 7 plus 3 equals 10, and 3 plus 6 equals 9. So I'm going to move this over here. 7 plus 3 plus 6 more equals. 7 plus 3, boys and girls, is 10, plus 6 more is 16. Now let's take a look at the next one. Here I've got 8 plus 6, okay? And I know that 8 plus 2 is 10, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So I'm going to move these over. 8 plus 2 plus 4 more equals, 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 more equals 14. Awesome. Let's take a look at the last example. Here I've got 9 plus 3. I know that 9 plus 1 is 10, and then 1 plus 2 is 3, so I'm going to move this over. 9 plus 1 plus 2 more. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. And let me go ahead and show you again what I did real quick, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm trying to make tens, but I'm also going to decompose these numbers. Here I have a 7. I know that 4 plus 6 is 7. Okay? 6 plus 1 is 7. And I'm sorry, I think I said that wrong. 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, we're trying to make tens. And then this 7 here is 6 plus 1. That's why I got 4 plus 6 plus 1 equals 11. Now let's take a look at this next one. Here I've got 5 plus 9. I'm going to decompose this 9 so that I can make a 10 with this 5. I know that 5 plus 5 is 10, and I know that 5 plus 4 is 9. So that's why I've got 5 plus 5 plus 4 equals 14. Now let's take a look at this problem here. 6 plus 6. I'm going to decompose this 6 so that I can make a 10 out of this one too. So 6 plus 4 is 10. I know that 4 plus 2 is 6. So that's going to be 6 plus 4 plus 2 equals 12. Now let's take a look at this next one here. I've got 7 plus 9, okay? I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to decompose this 9 so that I can make this 7 plus something equal 10. And I know that 7 plus 3 is 10. So let's decompose this number further. 3 plus 6 is 9. So here I've got 7 plus 3 plus 6 equals 16. Now let's take a look at this one. We've got 8 plus 6. Well, I know that 8 plus 2 is 10. And then 2 plus 4 is 6. So I decompose this 6. And here I've got 8 plus 2 plus 4 equals 14. Next I've got 9 plus 3. Well, I know that 9 plus 1 equals 10. So I'm going to decompose this. I put the 1 there. 1 plus 2 is 3. So now I've got 9 plus 1 plus 2 equals 12. And that's pretty much it. Look, 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 1 more is 11. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 4 more is 14. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 6 more is 16. 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 4 more is 14. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. And that's pretty much it, boys and girls. Like I've said, you're doing an outstanding job. Make sure that you get familiar with these strategies when we're adding. You can pick and choose which ones you like, but I highly recommend that you get comfortable doing at least 2 or 3 of them, okay? And if all else fails, draw pictures, okay? Parents, I want to thank you so much, and boys and girls, we'll see you at the next video.